Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to deep clean our fridge for the first time since we moved here. So our fridge has a lot of items inside and I just want to make this cleaning very quick so as not to melt the items, especially those inside the freezer. Therefore, my plan is to clean it by sections, so I'm first going to start with the freezer, which is the upper half of the fridge, and then proceed to the refrigerator or the lower part. All in all, it will be divided in three parts, since for the lower part, I'm going to clean first the main section, which is the bigger one, and then the door part where the egg tray is located. I'm not sure if I'm explaining it clearly, but you'll see it later in the video, guys. This is also a perfect time for me to take out everything that is either expired or spoiled, so that's what I'm also going to do. So, let's get started! It is not really advisable to use detergent or soap in cleaning your fridge because it will leave a smell that the food will absorb eventually. So you know how much I love using baking soda in cleaning, and that's what I'm going to use today in cleaning the fridge. It's really very simple. First, I unplug the fridge and then I'm taking out everything that's inside the entire fridge, including the jars. After taking out everything, I'm wiping the interior. I'm starting with the freezer, by the way. I'm wiping the interior with a warm, damp microfiber cloth, and then I'm going to scrub it with the same cloth, this time with a baking soda paste. And for the paste, I just mixed baking soda with warm water. After scrubbing it, I'm going to wipe it with the same cloth rinsed with warm water. These are the jars for the freezer, so I basically just repeated the steps. I'm going first to wipe them with warm damp cloth and then scrub them with a baking soda paste and then rinse them off with warm water again. So basically, I'm just going to repeat these steps to clean the entire fridge.
They call me Mr. Tibbs. I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing.
I'm now putting back the jars for the freezer and then I'm going to immediately put back the foods inside.
I'm changing, say I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing, say I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing, say I'm changing. I cannot wait till I move back to the south side. Love in the air, I embrace it with my arms wide. Miss my mama cooking, hugs and kisses at the door. Goodbye to the city, standing on my tippy toes. Y'all don't even know me, I don't even know me. Changing cause of college, childhood friends want to owe me. Now they think of me like Adrian or LeBron. But I didn't like the feelings when I put those jerseys on, so I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing. Say I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing. Say I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing, I'm changing.
Now I'm taking out everything on the refrigerator part or the lower part of the fridge. I'm focusing first on this larger part because I have to clean the fridge by section because I don't have enough space for all the foods inside.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own.
Then I'm just going to repeat all the steps. And it really was satisfying for me to do this because I want our fridge to be always clean as much as possible because, this is where we put our foods in. And that feeling when you open the fridge and then it smells stinky? I don't want to experience that.
Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better.
Now I have to say that cleaning this big compartment is my least favorite because it's actually very difficult to wipe given that it was so big and it doesn't fit in our small sink. Now I'm putting back everything in it. And guys, as I was throwing all the spoiled stuff, I realized that we have been keeping a lot of stuff inside that has been there for like weeks or something. It is kind of gross, but at least I was able to get rid of them. Now I'm moving on the door parts of the fridge. As usual, I'm just going to repeat the same steps. This part is actually the easiest to clean because it is much smaller, and this one's just shallow, so I don't have to reach too much inside just to wipe it. I'm really happy with how everything turned out, you guys, and I hope that you liked this video. Now, I know that everything inside is not as organized compared to some, but I feel satisfied knowing that my fridge is clean and safe to put foods in, and that I have already taken out the spoiled foods. Well, over here, I'm just wiping the surface of this fridge with this Ajax surface spray and a microfiber cloth. Lastly, I'm just going to put this bowl with baking soda just to keep the fridge deodorized. Now, I've mentioned this in a video about hacks in cleaning using baking soda, and I would be glad if you would watch it. I'm going to put a card on the upper right hand corner of this video for you to check it out. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more cleaning videos from me, and join me in my journey as a newbie wife, and let's all discover the joy of marriage. Also, connect with me by following me on Instagram at LoveTrisha12. See ya!